So this is my first training in Canada, and this gym is actually just 5 minutes away from my home. I'm just thankful to have it there. So really convenient to go and get a workout in, and also they have everything that I need there. And actually this bench is I think it's a very old version of an Atlantis adjustable bench. Yeah, it might look a bit rusty, looks a little bit old, but actually the fact is that it's actually damn sturdy. It's like one of the best benches that I've used so far. So just add a bit of plate at the end, just trying to get a little bit lower incline level, trying to feel and get a hang of how to train here and set up the things accordingly, because it's not like the usual gyms that I go to. So kind of like the training environment here. It's pretty hardcore. People train hard, train serious, and the weights are actually pretty damn heavy. So dumbbells here feel much more heavier than what they are in Singapore, and so much harder to grip them. I don't know, maybe because the milling on the dumbbell is much more thicker. So I feel my forearms are working a lot when I use them. So for this chest dumbbell here, I just did a 50% drop set, nothing too crazy. Currently running on a metabolic program, just basically higher reps and more sets. So I'm just trying to fight off the jet lag, so just did a drop set here. Next is chest cable fly machine. Pretty solid machine that you have here. The only thing is that my legs are too short, so I gotta modify the setup a little bit. Just adding some weights here to make it higher a little bit for myself. Sit down on it, get comfortable. It's from Atlantis. Atlantis are a pretty decent gym making brand. So I added my own attachments here, the prime cast handles here. Then after that, just did some chest fly here. So didn't go too heavy because I was just trying to figure out what is the best setup and how can I get the best out of the machines, and also figure out what I can do here to get the good contractions and figure out what is the most appropriate setup. So still finding my ground in this gym here. I did a 50% drop set here again. So come to the cable machine jungle here. I think one interesting fact, they have this handle thingy on the side, so you can kind of grab it and use it as a brace support for doing anything. I don't know, maybe shoulder, bicep, chest, arms, glutes, whatever you want to do. So that makes it a pretty interesting setup here as compared to the gym that I've been training in Singapore. So you can see in my next video where I'm doing the costal cable flies, which is for the lower chest. I'm using one side to hold because the other part of the cable I just couldn't shift it up. So I grab it, I brace hard on it, get stable, bring the weight across my chest, really focus on contraction, try to get a good solid 10 reps in. Really just focusing on the form and nothing trying to do too heavy or anything else like that. Then I finish off with the upper chest movement. So again, holding on to something to brace. So this is the upper chest fly movement. It's pretty good. If you don't have the cable machine, you maybe want to do a dumbbell or a dumbbell fly instead. So that's all. So welcome to my vlog. I haven't been doing vlog for a while because I just migrated to Canada, and I'm back, I'm settled. So today's vlog is gonna be about chest training. So found a good gym near my house, and it's pretty old school. They have a lot of good equipment. If you like somewhere hardcore, good proper machine to train, that's the place for you. So stay tuned for my vlog.